Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete cookies for a specific website in Google Chrome. So let's jump right in. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can customize and manage all aspects of your browser, including privacy controls and site-specific permissions. Now, once you're in the settings menu, look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation panel with several categories listed. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Chrome handles your browsing data, cookies, and site permissions, giving you control over your online privacy. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Click on it to access the detailed cookie management settings. This is where Chrome allows you to control how websites store and access data on your browser. Next, you'll see an option that says See All Site Data and Permissions. Click on this option to open a comprehensive list of all the websites that have stored cookies and data in your browser. This view gives you complete visibility into which sites are tracking your activity and storing information. At the top of this page, you'll notice a search bar. This is incredibly useful when you want to manage cookies for a specific website without scrolling through the entire list. Click on the search bar and type in the name of the website whose cookies you want to delete. For example, if you want to remove cookies from Discord, simply type discord.com into the search field. Once you enter the website name, Chrome will filter the results and display only the matching site. You'll see the website listed with all its associated data. Right beside the website name, you'll notice a trash can icon. This icon represents the delete function for that specific site's cookies and stored data. Click on the trash can icon and a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Chrome's way of making sure you really want to delete the cookies for that particular website, as this action cannot be undone. The confirmation prompt helps prevent accidental deletions. Simply click Delete to confirm your action, and Chrome will immediately remove all cookies and stored data for that specific website. The site will now be cleared from your browser's memory, and any saved login sessions or preferences for that website will be reset. And that's it. You've successfully deleted cookies for a specific website in Chrome, giving you more control over your browsing data and privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.